The general trend to digitalization is affecting every industry, including scaffolding construction, because nothing else optimizes project planning so effectively while opening up enormous potential for cost savings. This makes digitalization crucial for the future competitiveness of your company in scaffolding construction too. And that's why we at Layher are not only designing efficient scaffolding systems, but also ensuring with our LifePlan CAD software that you're ready for the digital future. Digital project planning in scaffolding construction not only ensures a reduction in risk and an increase in quality, but also allows you to access Building Information Modeling, or BIM for short. The basis for BIM is 3D models. They're bolstered by lots of other data, and are available for all parties involved over the entire life cycle of a project. Every update is visible in the overall model to everybody involved. For scaffolding construction, which is an important part of the overall process, this is relevant for the quotation phase and for the implementation phase. The digital model of the structure which is to receive scaffolding acts as the basis for planning and is imported into LifePlan CAD. This is followed by scaffolding planning in a three-dimensional space. For faster design, LifePlan CAD offers an extensive parts library, with all Layher parts and with ready-made assemblies. Potential design errors already become evident during scaffolding planning in LifePlan CAD. The simulation permits a collision check. On top of that, an assessment of safety while working, escape route planning, and space requirement is also possible. That means a high degree of planning certainty. What's more, less time and material needed for project implementation. Once the design is completed, the program creates material lists and assists in the creation of assembly plans, and in so doing optimizes the logistics, because only material which is actually installed is loaded up and transported. Scaffolding planning is transmitted to the client in the form of 3D data. Detailed plans in 2D and 3D are of course also available for printing out. Realistic 3D images can also be created. These not only help during assembly, but also enable the scaffolding erectors to present their work in the quotation phase both professionally and persuasively, and to sell it. The client sees what he'll be getting. That's a competitive edge that shouldn't be underestimated. What's more, the LifePlan CAD files can also be imported without any problem into visualization and animation software, for example to simulate the construction sequence. Economical planning and professional presentation. This is what project planning with LifePlan CAD offers you. What's more, with digital scaffolding planning in 3D, you're fit for the future, because LifePlan CAD is, with scaffolding information modeling, or SIM for short, your access to BIM. That means more planning certainty, better cost control, optimized time and schedule management, and legal certainty about laws and standards. Optimize your project planning and project implementation, and avoid the risk of delays and extra costs, because 3D scaffolding planning with LifePlan CAD is faster and more effective, and so more economical. More safety, more competitiveness, more future. Layher. Take us at our word.